Hello guys, thanks for watching. Adrian here from AppSeed. So in this video I will demonstrate how to deploy Flask software dashboard on Heroku, a popular deployment platform that supports deployments for Django, Flask, Node.js or any other full stack application. Let's access the public repository of this open source project and follow up the instructions as provided in the README file. Of course, the first step is to check out the sources on your local file system, and once we have the sources, all we need to do is to follow up the instructions provided in the README file. Let's go. So the README file has been updated to provide all the steps. Of course, you need to have an account on Heroku and also their tools installed in your terminal, because all the interaction is done through the console. So you need to install all those tools. There is a first section here that explains how to do it. Once you have the source code, you just need to to switch the directory to inside the project. We need to execute all the steps in the root of the project, and I will just copy paste the command and watch the responses from Heroku platform. The first thing is to bind the project with their platform. So if all good, you are warned that you can close this page and the connection was successful. If all goes well, you should see here your email used to create your account on Heroku. The second step is to type Heroku create command, which will basically create the product on their platform. If this step is also successful, the next step is to access the Heroku dashboard and go to the project settings and set up the configuration variables. This step is mandatory because Heroku ignores the environment file committed on the repository, and we need to provide all the configuration variables in this component. Let's go here and save the environment variables. I will set the debug to true, because in this case the code base will use the SQLite persistence, which is super convenient for small projects, and we can use it in production without issues. Access roots is mandatory, but I will save it anyway. It's optional, sorry, but I will save it. Okay, so at this point the application is submitted into Heroku platform. We've set up the variables, and the next step is to basically to push the sources to Heroku and force the build of the product on their platform. This might take a while because the sources are uploaded, and Heroku will start to build the product. Of course, with all the necessary steps like download the modules, set up the database, and all the related steps. Okay, once this phase is completed, we should be able to access the application in the browser. Okay, so now Heroku informs us that the application is up and running. we can access the app here, or just type Heroku open. It's the same thing. I will type Heroku open, and we should see the application up and running on Heroku. So this is it. The application runs as expected. We can create new users. Use a simple password. Okay, so the user was created successfully. We can also watch the logs from the live system using the Heroku log -tail command. Okay, so we can see here that when we access the UI, basically the requests are made in the background, so we can debug the application. We can see what's going on their platform, so it's super easy. So guys, thanks for watching. The application is under heavy development. We will add more modules like dynamic APIs, dynamic data tables, payments, and other things. In case anyone lands on an issue, feel free to access the support page, send us an email, or connect with us on Discord. We have a super nice community with more than 1,000 members, so let us know in case you need help. Adrian here from AppSeed. I wish you all a super day. Bye guys.